Here's how you can change between the different home screen modes, or simply just switch over to a home screen mode that you prefer. And this is for Xiaomi phones that are currently running Android 15 HyperOS 2. Not every phone model will have the light mode as you see here, but you will know if you have it if it appears right here, because it is part of the home screen settings. So let's go ahead and get started. To find these settings, the fastest way is by long pressing a blank area on your home screen like this here, and you'll notice this is going to happen like that. You'll see where it says settings right to the bottom right, and once you go there, this is going to pop up. I want you to go to where it says more right here. Now that you're in the more section, this is the home screen settings area, and you'll see home screen to the top. And at default, when you first get your phone, well, of course, if you have the global or the Chinese ROM model, it really depends. You're gonna see that it will most likely be set to the one with the app drawer. And just for a quick reference to give you an idea of what the app drawer is, if you're new to all this here, with that feature enabled, you'll have this little arrow here, which you can swipe up and get access to the app drawer itself. And if that's the mode you want, then that's what you would want to select, okay? And on top of that, you have a few more options for that, such as app suggestions, which is basically apps that you frequently use. They're gonna start appearing there for you for faster access. You got manage the app categories, which is all gonna be part of the app drawer. So if you really want to set up how your app drawer appears, it's up to you. You got the background as well. You can apply these as well, the scrolling type, and place new apps on home screen. So if you just install an app from the Play Store, from the Play Store, it's going to appear on your home screen as well, instead of you having to go into the app drawer, pull it out, and that. All right, and a few more other options that you can just go ahead and experiment with. Classic is basically having everything on your home screen, creating multiple pages going across to your right with no app drawer. And then light mode is gonna make everything so big. As you come out, you'll see that it's gonna readjust itself to this right here. And of course, if you are ready to exit into out of light mode, you'll wanna go ahead back into the settings, and you'll see this here, turn it off, and you will go ahead and turn it off from here. And that is that, my friends. Like and sub.